Hi, I'm Bellina. Welcome to my channel. I thought I would pop on here and give you all a little tour of my tiny but cute little office. Okay, this is what it looks like leading into my office from the hallway. I love the French doors there and the little cutout up there. I think that's really pretty. Okay, I'm going to open the doors and take you all in to my little cute but small office. So we're going to go on in. Not very much in here, but it is a cute little workspace. Okay, well, the first thing that we see is this cute little etagere stand here. I've had this for 25 years. I purchased it from a furniture store in Maryland called Furniture for Less. And I think I made payments on it. But everything is still intact. The glass is still intact. I've never had problems with the glass. And of course, here are those cute candles that I showed in one of my recent videos. Okay, got those from Kirkland's. And up there, I have a record player. I did a video on that. My son bought me a record player for my birthday, and I love it so much. Okay, and then here's just a couple of cute little candles. I got these candle holders from Kirkland's. They were about $15 each, and I think I ended up paying $12 for both of them because the store was having a sale, and then I had some coupons. And then, of course, these little candle holders in the back. I don't know where I got those from. I've had them forever. And then down here is a pretty little vase that I purchased from Pier 1 several years ago. I really like that. This is my office, but it's also a place where I can practice my music. When my granddaughter comes over, her playpen comes in here, her swing comes in here, my laptop comes in here. I work in here every single day. Okay, so here's where I have my little keyboard. Here's another picture that I purchased from Kirkland's. I really like this and I believe in every single word. But what really drew me to the picture was that cross right there with that green color. Oh, I love the color. Y'all, we all need to pray big, worry small, trust God, love one another. Love never fails, y'all. Laugh more, stress less, have faith, rejoice, and be grateful. That's such a positive sign. I love that. Okay, over here in this little corner, this is where I can come and sit down and do a little bit of reading. Okay, can y'all see that? Now I have two of those chairs. The other one is in my living room. And I have two of those little nightstands. The other nightstand is in my living room. I'm sorry, it's in my hallway leading into my bedroom. But check this out. I want to show y'all something. I repurpose everything. Check out this cute placemat. Isn't that adorable? It matches my lamp perfectly. I got both of these from Pier 1 and I've had them forever. I think I bought those in 2016. And look at this beautiful painting here. I'm going to come in a little closer. I bought this from the antique store not too far from my home. When I saw it, I absolutely knew that I had to have it. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love paintings like this. That picture frame is gorgeous. It's also extremely heavy. I didn't know if this wall would be able to accommodate this painting, to be honest, because the whole thing is so heavy. And let's see if we can get the artist. So there's the artist right there. Okay, but I love the painting. I love the detail here of the young lady playing her keyboard. I thought it was very appropriate to put in here near my own keyboard. Okay, that's very pretty. So this is just a little area where I can come and sit down and, and read. This is leading out of my office. Okay, and you can see into the hallway there. Okay, let's turn around this way and show you all what this side looks like. Okay, over there. Now this dinette set was used in my previous home. It's actually a table that seats 4. I took the leaf out. I wanted it to bring it down the size so that it could fit in this room. And I think to this day, it's such a pretty table. I bought that from Ashley Furniture in 2015, I believe it was. Okay, and there's just a closet there that houses my office supplies. This is what I want you all to see. Look at this beautiful painting. Honestly, if I could have my entire wall painted to look like this, I would be the happiest person in the world. So feminine, so pretty. This came from Pier 1. Bought this probably around 2017, I think. I used to have it in my master bedroom over my bed. It doesn't quite work in this house because the ceilings in this house are lower than the ceilings in my previous house. And look at this. Ladies, look at this. If you like flowers, please look at this. Okay, these are made from paper. These flowers were made by the Paper Source, okay? I bought them from Barnes & Noble, okay? When I walked into the store and saw these, I made a beeline over to the cash register because that's where they were. And they were like $5.99 a stem. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Look inside of there, that one there. And it matches my picture perfectly. Just a beautiful pop of color to see first thing in the morning when you come in and go to work. This is what the back looks like. Oh my goodness, those are so beautiful. And the wonderful thing about these flowers is they will never die. Oh my goodness. Just love those. And of course, there's just a placemat. I use placemats for everything. Absolutely everything. Okay. And over here in this little corner, that is a Longer Burger picnic basket that I won at a basket bingo in 1998. It was the grand prize because Longer Burger baskets are very high quality and pricey. So I've had this about 25 years. I love it. I absolutely love it. Look at the detail on there. It's got a little mini table on the inside that you can pull out and put your food items on. That little frog there, I purchased from Kirkland's and I just threw the grapes on top of there. And look at this reed diffuser. Hold on one second, you all. I'm going to put it on my table. Okay, I am using this as a reed diffuser, but when I purchased it, it was sold to me as a candle. It came with a teeny tiny bottle that went right down in there with some oil. It had a wick and you could light it and it was the most beautiful candle. So the bottle needs to be replaced, but when I get my new bottle, I just pour my oil in there, put my little sticks in there. Y'all check that out. I have chopsticks in there. Some are real and some aren't, but it just makes for a lovely, it's a conversation piece actually. I think it makes a better reed diffuser than it does a candle. You know, it's safer. We're not dealing with fire, just oil. But I wanted to show you all that because it's just the neatest thing. So cute. I got this from a group of kids who were having a fundraiser. They were trying to raise money so that they could take a trip. I think they were doing Bible quizzing or something. And I was like, sure, I'll support you. And so this is what my office looks like looking out into the hallway, okay? And let me close those doors so that you all can see what my office looks like when I just want to shut the world out, including my dogs. Okay, here's what the office looks like with the doors closed. Now, I plan on putting something there at the windows. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know if I'm going to do some type of little curtain or if I'm going to use window film. But I want to put something there in case I have to use this room as a bedroom for a guest. I do have a guest bedroom, but you never know when you have to accommodate more than one person. And over here, I plan on buying another picture for that wall there. I don't know what I want to put there yet. I do have some pictures here, but they don't really match this room. Oh, and I almost forgot to talk to you all about the carpet. So this carpet came from Amazon. I went to a neighbor's house when I first moved into this neighborhood. She had a beautiful blue and yellow round carpet under her dinette set. And I was like, where did you get that? I forget where she said she got it, but I immediately came here and came to my home when I left her house, went online to see if I can find one, and I did get this from Amazon. It's a very thick, high quality rug. Got it a couple of years ago. I don't know what I paid. I think it was like $250. I think they're cheaper now, but it's a very high quality rug. Look at the detail there. I love bringing things like this into my house, especially when I know that not too many people have it, you know. It's just such a conversation piece and it's so pretty. Okay. Okay, that's going to be a wrap for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you all stopping by. On this channel, you can expect to see more of the same, as well as some videos on me talking about greeting cards that I have received over the years and the stories behind the cards. I'm just going to be very, very positive on this channel, and I hope that something that I say encourages you all from time to time. I actually also talk about real life issues like stress and anxiety and being single and things like that. And I hope you all will tune in from time to time to catch some of those videos. In the meantime, you all have a wonderful evening, and I will see you all the next time. Bye-bye.